Hello and welcome to this video on how to diagnose and help adults with autism. Autism, also known as autism spectrum disorder, is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects communication and social interaction. It is a lifelong condition, and many people with autism are able to lead fulfilling and productive lives with the right support. The origins of autism are not fully understood, but research suggests that both genetic and environmental factors may play a role. It is not caused by any one thing, such as vaccines or parenting practices, and there is no known cure. Diagnosing autism in adults can be challenging, as the condition may not be immediately apparent and may not present in the same way in each person. It is important to remember that every individual with autism is unique and may have different strengths, challenges, and needs. There are a few key signs that may indicate that an adult may have autism. Difficulty with social interaction and communication. This may include difficulty understanding and expressing emotions, difficulty initiating and maintaining conversations, and a lack of interest in socializing with others. This may include delayed language development, difficulty initiating conversations, and difficulty understanding figurative language or jokes. People with autism may have difficulty understanding and following social norms, such as personal space, eye contact, and appropriate conversation topics. Repetitive behaviors and interests. Many people with autism have repetitive behaviors or interests, such as obsessively following routines or becoming fixated on a particular subject. Sensory processing issues. Some people with autism may be oversensitive or undersensitive to certain stimuli, such as sounds, lights, or textures. Difficulty with change or transition. Many people with autism prefer predictability and routine, and may have difficulty with unexpected changes or transitions. Struggles with executive function. Executive function skills, such as planning, organizing, and problem solving, can be challenging for some people with autism. It is important to note that not all people with autism will experience all of these signs, and the severity of these signs can vary widely. If you suspect that an adult you know may have autism, it is important to encourage them to speak with a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. A thorough evaluation by a doctor or mental health professional may include a physical examination, a review of the person's medical and family history, and assessments of their cognitive, language, and social skills. Once a diagnosis of autism has been made, it is important to work with the individual to develop a support plan that meets their needs. This may include therapies such as speech therapy, occupational therapy, or behavioral therapy, as well as support from social workers, educators, or other professionals. It is also important to be patient and understanding when interacting with people with autism. They may communicate or socialize in ways that are different from what you are used to, but this does not mean that they do not value or appreciate your friendship. Here are a few tips for interacting with and helping adults with autism. Be respectful and use clear, direct language. People with autism may have difficulty with social cues or understanding figurative language, so it is important to be straightforward and avoid using jargon or sarcasm. Offer support, but also allow them to make their own decisions. People with autism may need help with certain tasks, but it is important to respect their autonomy and allow them to make their own choices whenever possible. If you are aware of any sensitivities, try to be mindful of them and make accommodations if necessary. Be patient and understanding. People with autism may need more time to process information or may have difficulty expressing themselves. It is important to be patient and understanding when interacting with them. By following these tips, you can help adults with autism lead happy and fulfilling lives. Remember, every individual with autism is unique and may have different needs and strengths. With patience, understanding, and support, people with autism can thrive and reach their full potential. Thank you for watching this video on how to diagnose and help adults with autism. If you have any questions or would like more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional or autism support organization. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.